Get out of my house!
Still taking out the trash, Ethan?
It's been 5 years. Mommy will find you, Luna.
Will you marry my dad?
What? Whoa, what are you doing?
Just meet him for a blind date. I promise you like him. I'll text you the time and place.
Richard, what are you doing?
You're the most wonderful woman I've ever met in my whole life. I'm just a plumber. I'm a regular guy, nothing special, but I'd like you to marry me.
Luna, my baby girl. Mommy will find you.
This house, the company, all of it is mine! You are not getting shit from this divorce! Do you understand me? Huh?
Ethan, after 10 years and 2 children, this is how you treat me.
Let's go.
This marriage is over, and you are out on the street with nothing! Got it?
Get out of my house!
Still taking out the trash, Ethan? I thought you'd be done already.
Hey, baby.
You heard her. Take these 2 little shits and get out of here. I'll sign your divorce papers. But if you try to come after me, I will make you disappear forever. Great choice, Neil. You see that? Even your own son knows you're worthless.
Mommy. Don't worry, Mommy. I'll stay with you forever. I don't need a big house. I just want to be with you.
And after that, we went our separate ways. Luna and I lived on the streets. There are too many flowers. Luna's really allergic to pollen.
Mommy's gonna go inside. I'm gonna get us some food, okay? Luna! Luna!
Dad! You promise you'll actually go through with the blind date?
Do I really have to?
Yes, you said you'd let me set one up for you as part of my birthday present. I promise I'll find someone you like.
All right, so, deal? All right, let's go home.
It's been 5 years. Mommy will find you, Luna. I promise.
So sorry. It was an accident. I'll clean it up right away.
Leila, what are you doing here? When did we hire you?
Talia, if she's here, does that mean Ethan and Neil are here too?
Miss Talia, I'm so sorry. She's already been fired. I told you to leave!
No, please, I need this job. Please. I've already worked for 7 days and today's payday. Please, I need this job.
Look at our manager's shoes! You've got some nerve still asking for money!
Wait. Leila, it's been so long. And in a way, we share a son, so let me tell you what. You can keep your job, but let's just clean up this mess first, okay?
You want to keep your job or not?
Oh, I'm so sorry, Leila. That was an accident also. Why don't you be a good girl and go get me a bottle of 1990 Romani Conti, right? Oh, and you're paying for it, by the way, with your own money because you ruined my shoes. And if you don't get that bottle here quickly, or get the right bottle, then you can kiss your job goodbye.
If it means I can keep looking for my daughter, my Luna, I'll endure anything.
Thanks, Alfred. I won't be long. Oh no, the pollen. This is going to trigger my asthma. Where's my inhaler?
Help! Please help!
Luna? And out. I thought she was Luna. She would be about this age now. Is that better?
Yeah, better, thank you.
Of course. Come on. Are your parents here? Would you like me to call them? Or...
Will you marry my dad?
What? Whoa, what are you doing?
Just meet him for a blind date. I promise you like him. I'll text you the time and place. I have a feeling you two will get along. I'll send you the details later. Just give him a chance.
What?
Oh, Kalos.
Morning, Mr. Anderson.
I can't believe he's the richest businessman in the state at his age. Too bad I didn't get a good look at his face.
Well, it's not like he would have looked back at you anyway, right?
Hey. Jealous, sweetheart? Remember, you're the only one I care about. And remember, when we latch on to him, we'll be set for life.
Don't worry, baby. I've got a plan. I'll see you at home, alright?
Tell you. The wine rack is what you get.
What is this?
Couldn't afford it. It's $10,000.
So was this outfit? Can't even follow simple instructions? No wonder your husband's son left you. You're fired!
How am I supposed to make money? Luna's out there waiting for me. But no one's gonna hire someone who's homeless.
Hey, so this is my dad. Handsome, right? Just booked a dinner for you two at this restaurant. Don't be late.
A blind date is the last thing on my mind right now. But I'll do anything to find my Luna.
Oh, I really don't have time for this right now. Let's do the blind date some other day.
Dad, you're doing this. You promised. And she's really nice. Warm, gentle, and really pretty. You guys will hit it off.
I got meetings all day. I can't.
But you pinky promised.
Bet I did, didn't I?
Yay! I'll wait for the good news.
You know what? Give me an outfit like that.
Yes, sir.
I'll be back to take your orders in a minute.
Look, I don't know how much my daughter's told you about me, but I'm just a regular kind of guy. Just a plumber. And to tell you the truth, I'm struggling. Life is tough. I just make enough money for the both of us to get by. I make about $60,000 a month.
Did you just say 60,000?
Oh, I'm sorry. I meant $6,000 a month. That should be enough to scare her off. I've seen plenty of pretty gold diggers like this before.
Well, we're going straight to honesty. And my situation isn't great either. My ex-husband cheated on me with another woman, and he took everything with him, including my son. And my daughter, she went missing. It's been 5 years, but I'm still looking for her. And I was just fired. So, your daughter, she pushed you to do this?
Kids. No kids.
Hey, listen, why don't we just treat this as a goodbye meal? You know, you can tell your daughter that we met and just we're in a good match. And I'm happy to split the bill.
Laura was right. She's genuinely kind and beautiful. No wonder she wanted us to mate. Sure. The meal is on me.
No, I can't let you do that.
I insist. Go ahead.
This is really expensive. And you have a daughter to raise. I cannot let you spend this much. Why don't I treat you instead?
Yeah. Okay. You know, supermarket food. I never thought it could be that charming. Get out of here. What is this? Get out of here.
Oh, your shirt. Let me fix it. Richard, wait, what are you doing?
You're the most wonderful woman I've ever met in my whole life. I'm just a plumber. I'm a regular guy, nothing special, but I'd like you to marry me.
No, it's why me? Do you not care that I was married before? I mean, I have nothing to offer you, and you barely know me.
It's my gut. My gut is telling me you're the one. And I'll even help you look for your daughter. How about that? What do you think?
Dad, did you meet with Leila? How did it go? Yay! I knew it! I need to prepare a welcome gift for my new mom. Oh, I'll Venmo her $5 million right now.
Not so fast. She doesn't know who I am. She thinks I'm a plumber.
A plumber? Why would you tell her you're a plumber?
Sweetheart, people only meet me because of my wealth. They don't care who I am.
How are you going to marry her without her knowing who you are?
Well, I'm going to tell her when the truth is right. I'll marry her once she knows the truth. Until then, you're the daughter of a plumber, so don't blow my cover, Laura. Trust me on this, okay?
There's a special today, 2 slices and a drink. There's a special today, 2 slices and a drink. There's a special today, 2 slices and a drink. Oh, so sorry, I wasn't watching.
We have to eat this junk food.
Well, it's pizza day, sweetheart. Neil's been looking forward to it all week.
My boy, I've missed you so much. I've written you messages and somehow they didn't go through. And my boy, how have you been all this time?
Don't touch me with your disgusting hands. Get away from me.
Leila? What has it been, 5 years? Is this where you work now? I guess I made the right choice.
Ethan, I don't really care what happened between us, but our daughter, she's been missing. 5 years ago when you sold the house, Luna and I ended up on the streets. We lost her.
You lost my daughter? And you didn't even tell me?
I'm sorry. Sorry, I know it's all my fault. You left town and I didn't know how to reach you. I'm begging you. You have money and connections. Please, help me find her.
Fine. She is still my daughter, after all. I will have people look into it.
Leila, you are Neil's biological mother after all. So, I wanted to invite you to his birthday. Day after tomorrow. You should come.
Thank you, Talia.
All right, let's go. What happened to your face? Who did this to you?
Nothing. You came all this way just to pick me up.
Yeah. I'm here to take you home.
I'll just sleep on the couch. I mean, it is your place after all. Should I kiss him?
Should I kiss her?
Look, if you don't mind, we could sleep here together on the bed.
Right. Yeah. Huh. We are getting married after all. Feels so strange saying that out loud. Neil's birthday party is tomorrow. What should I wear? I can't look too shabby. Neil wouldn't like that.
Hey, Leila. Picking out an outfit? Looks like my timing couldn't have been more perfect.
But Laura, this braid is very expensive. Your dad is just a plumber.
Oh no, I'm about to blow Dad's cover. Think, Laura, think. It is...
That's from an old army buddy of mine. He heard that we were getting married, so he gave us all these gifts.
Yeah, that's right.
But this is way too much.
We can't let his kindness go to waste, Mommy. Let's get you dressed up. I promise. You'll stun everyone.
Oh.
It's been so long. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Who are you waiting for, baby?
Your ex-wife, obviously.
I still don't know why you invited her.
So that she can finally see the gap between our two worlds. You know, seeing you slap her was quite satisfying.
That's nasty, Talia.
Sorry I'm late.
What? That's one of this year's haute couture collection pieces. There's only one in the world. It's worth over $100,000.
No, that can't be right. Where did you get that? Oh, I know. It's fake, right? Seriously, Leila, did you really stoop so low as to wear fake designer clothes just to hide your poverty? Oh, God. Don't tell me you're still hung up on me.
What? No, that's not... I just wanted to look nice for Neil's birthday.
Sir, Manager Reginald is waiting for you in his private room.
Heard Leila saying her son's birthday banquet is here as well. You know what? Find out what room it is and have our staff send over a vintage wine bottle.
Copy that.
Mr. Carter,
Yes?
The chairman is here today for business, but when he heard that it was Neil's birthday, he personally instructed us to send this over.
Whoa! Romany Conti. That's worth tens of thousands a bottle. Sending a bottle of wine that expensive, it's a message. This deal with the Anderson Group, it's basically guaranteed.
Neil, happy birthday. I prepared a little gift for you. I grew this myself. Remember how you used to love to garden?
That reeks of manure. Get that trash away from us.
Ew, that's disgusting. Did you really just come here to gross me out?
Neil, you used to love flowers. Remember how you used to help me in the garden?
Take your pot of shit and get lost.
Oh, why would you break Neil's birthday present?
Baby, hey! My wine! Oh. You worthless bitch. You are always causing problems in my life. This is all your fault.
Neil, come help me hold her down.
Neil!
You dare lay a hand on me, I'll cripple that hand today.
Come on, get up. I got you. You touch her again, I'll make sure you regret this for the rest of your life.
Oh, yeah.
Leila, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Hey, I got you. You're safe with me now.
Oh, you're Leila's new husband?
What, the plumber? I thought someone important showed up.
You dare mock him. He's so much better than any of...
Oh, you've got to be kidding me. I mean, we are just about to partner with the Anderson Group.
Uh-huh.
A shit-smelling country woman like you. No wonder her son can't stand her.
It's true, Leila. You ruined Neil's birthday party. But since I'm feeling generous tonight, I'm gonna let both of you get down on your knees and apologize, and I'll forgive you.
Richard has nothing to do with this. Don't you drag him into it. I will apologize. Neil, I am so sorry. It's all Mom's fault.
Shut up. You don't deserve to be my mother.
Excuse me, did you not hear me? I said down on your knees. Now!
Leila. Don't.